Now let's do the arm balancing posture. We'll just test it out. I'll give you some tips and tricks how to do this. Okay. So to begin, we will sit onto your heels like this, and from here, I'm already putting my left hand here. I'll do it with my left hand side first. So keep your knees together. See that it's not up, down, or not open. Keep knees together. Okay. And then lift your hand up, breathe in, breathing out. So notice my knees, it's almost to the tricep. See that your knee is not here. If the knee is too low, you won't be able to do the arm balance. And to keep your knee up, notice my ankle. I'm using my ankle to lift the knees higher like this. And then check your palms that it is equal. And very important, see that you look at the same direction where you're twisting. Okay. So check your palms, spread your finger, and give importance to this rotation in the upper arm. See that you turn the upper arm like this. So this rotation will help you so that you turn it out and bend the elbow. Okay. So the same thing here. So from here, elbow rotation. Both the elbow rotated. This elbow will rest here to this hip, and this elbow is bearing the weight of this leg. Okay. So from here, rotation, gaze at the front like this, lean. Okay. So you lean forward, bend the elbows like this, gaze ahead, and slowly lift your feet off. So this is the side crow variation. But the extent of Eka Pada Koundinyasana is just a transition. Okay. So you just have to split the leg here. So this leg is moving forward, the back leg is moving back. After you finish, bend the knee, come back and release. Okay, let's try this on the other side as well. So one more time. So again, sit on the heels here, keep your knees together, lift your left hand. So breathe in, breathe out. Check your palms, it's equal. Same thing here, maintain the rotation of your upper arms. Okay. And then bending the elbow, gazing in the front, keeping your knees together. If the split leg is still challenging for you, you can always start with the side crow. Okay. So bend the elbow, lean forward here. So this toes point can help you to get stable. Okay. And from there, split the leg. And then exhale, release the posture. So initially it might seem quite challenging and intense, but as you keep practicing it, it will get easier. Work on your foundations. And if you feel like I need to build strength in my upper arms, then maybe these are like some preparations. Okay, so you can just work on doing it like this, like cross your leg, just lift and relax. So you can just do these first to build some strength.